Alright guys, here we are once again. This is Fernando from Shine Truck. Today at the truck wash, we got my buddy Eric Bitz from Bennett Motor Express and the Bennett companies. Let's check this out guys. We just washed it yesterday. Pulled it in the bay today. Got it polished out. There it is guys. And my buddy Eric got it all dialed in, heading to the truck show in Atlanta. Such a clean ride, guys. Let's see, look at that color, guys. Just pops out here in the sun. And we dialed it in, we did all the wheels all the way around. So much stainless, got the grill done, the bumper, got the headlights, the visor. Got the breathers done, the mirrors, the boxes, anything that can be polished, guys. We dialed it in. Check out this trailer, guys. I mean, does he even haul anything? Well, you can kind of see right there where he puts his wood studs there for his loads. I think we're hauling NASA, SpaceX stuff on here. Very expensive stuff. Check it out, guys. Let you get a closer look. Got the fifth wheel polished out, you can see right there. Like I said, twisted emotions. Let's see if I can peek inside the truck. Let you guys check it out a little bit. Check out the office. There goes Shiny Truck, guys. There it is, guys. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll keep posting these up. Shiny Truck, guys. We're out.